You say you were assigned as a videographer to a gorgeous concert, a bunch of happy, energetic, beautiful college students singing wonderful music. And there you were up in the nosebleed balcony with your fancy Dan super duper Sony FDR AX100 camera, trying to pan across these happy faces with your Manfrotto fluid head. And yet, despite all of that hardware, unable to do a smooth job? Have I got a solution for you? It is called the HackyZoom 3000. Now, you might say, what a strange name, the HackyZoom 3000, but let me tell you, folks, this is what you need. What the HackyZoom 3000 will do, which I'll show you later in the images, will let you smoothly accelerate and decelerate your Manfrotto fluid head. And in fact, any fluid head would work. And instead of having to say words like and when you're trying to zoom, you will be saying, my goodness, what a lovely zoom. Now, for you folks at home that are do-it-yourselfers, I'm going to tell you how to make your own. And then I'm going to tell you how you can get one for yourself with no effort at all. So how do you make your own? First step, go to your Ace Hardware store. Find a 16 millimeter long, number 6 M6 wing nut that has 1 millimeter threads. Bring it home carefully. Coat it with plastic coat so the wings look nice and dark. Then you get yourself a worn out hacksaw blade. Does not have to be nude. You will be covering this hacksaw blade with the finest gaffer tape that you can find. The gaff tape is to make it look nice. That's all. And then you screw it all together and poof, you are done. Now you might say, oh my goodness, how could this work? Well, the principle in operation here is to overcome both the inertia and the stiction or the inertial friction of the fluid head before it begins to move. You want to extend that overlap point between when you're overcoming the friction and getting into the resistance offered by the fluid head. You need the feedback in your fingers to be able to feel that moment so you can gently accelerate and gently decelerate. Plus, you want to be able to decelerate once you're moving in a controlled fashion and predict where you want to stop. Yes, the HackyZoom 3000 does exactly those things with no motors, and is completely gluten-free. So instead of saying words like and, you can say words like, wow, that looks lovely. That's terrific. Now, for those people at home that don't have the facility to go to Ace Hardware or don't happen to have an old hacksaw blade laying around, you can order one from Tedland for a mere $19.95. That's right. $19.95 gets you the HackyZoom 3000 and your very own metric wing nut to use on your own fluid head. If you call now, though, I will double your order to two HackyZoom 3000s for that same $19.95 plus shipping and handling for the second one. And you can have this fantastic facility to yourself. Just call now. Operators are standing by.